Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing of some things that I received from a brand by the name of Kitsch. So if this is your first time hearing about Kitsch, it is a female-founded beauty and accessory brand that makes high quality and affordable products that is literally for your hair. It is catering to your hair morning, noon, and night. Now, this was my first time hearing of the brand, but when I tell you I got so excited when I went on the site, I was like, oh my God, they have essentials, things that we don't even know we need. There are things that we might have laying around the house for our hair, but when it comes down to the nitty gritty, these are things that we actually need, okay, for our hair maintenance, okay, because it doesn't stop at just getting your hair done. You still need things to wash your hair with, dry your hair with, clip your hair up. You need satin pillowcases. You need all this stuff for maintenance. So I was so freaking happy when they reached out and I was like, okay, I'm getting a PR box. Hey, I'm getting a PR box. I was like, I could not wait to open up this box of goodies. So in this video, we are basically going to be unboxing some of the stuff that they carry on their site. And I had a little sneak peek, I'm not gonna lie. And I was in love with the stuff that I've seen so far. So if you are thinking about looking on this site and you find something that you like, you can use my discount code, which will be Kitsch20, and you will save you 20%, okay? And I will have it down in the bottom bar and I will repeat it at the end of this video, okay? So let's get into the unboxing. So in the first thing that came in my box was this satin pillowcase. All right, and really quick, I'm gonna go through the benefits. So it elevates your beauty rest with the luxurious feel of satin. It helps to tame frizz and reduce breakage while sleeping, which is the most important thing for your edges, okay? It aids skin in retaining moisture. It helps to prevent acne. It helps to prevent facial creases from sleeping. It's gentle on your eyelashes and your eyebrows, and it's gentle on the skin and hair types, okay? And this one is, it's just one pillowcase. It is satin, and it has a invisible zip closure. So yeah, let me look. Okay, so this is the satin pillowcase, and it is in like a white color. It is so pretty, very soft. It feels authentic, and yeah, and it says Kitsch right here in the corner. It is just so girly, and I'm definitely going to be putting this on my pillow tonight, okay? Tonight. The next thing inside was this satin eye mask, and I'm going to tell you the benefits of having a satin eye mask, and I love these. Love these to death. I get them every time I see them. So now that I know they have a site that has nothing but things that I probably, like I said, need, they are essentials, I'll be hitting up this site. So this is to elevate your beauty rest with the luxurious feel of satin. It blocks light for deep and restful sleep, which is why I need it, because any little bit of light literally wakes me up. These also have an adjustable strap for maximum support, which I've never had one that had like an adjustable strap. So that's something that's very different, and I think that is a plus. All right, it's gentle on the eyes and eyebrows, and it's gentle on all skin types, okay? So let's open it up, and it is literally one eye mask. Oh my God, and it is so freaking pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's satin. It feels so freaking soft, and then it feels like it has something inside that's making it like puffy, and it is so comfortable. Oh my God, I can't wait to go to sleep. Like tonight, I'm definitely putting this on my eyes. This is gonna be a part of my, this is basically going to be a part of my routine before I go to sleep. All the satin for me, okay? It's making me feel real elegant. All right, so the next thing is these eco-friendly creaseless clips. Girl, I hate to have clips, and I'm using it to like get my hair out of my face, and then it creates this crease. So the fact that these are creaseless, it's like they literally know everything that I need. So I want to open these up. Okay, so this says these eco-friendly creaseless clips are a makeup maven's must-have. Made with recycled materials, these clips are kind on your hair and the environment. Securely hold hair sections out of the way during makeup application and easily remove without leaving a crease. So definitely can't wait to try these out. And let me go through the features. So it holds back flyaways and bangs during makeup application. It securely holds hair yet leaves no trace, crease, or bend in hair. Helps to create finger waves or set styles after blow drying, and is pro preferred go-to tool for runway and backstage. And it is made out of 85% recycled acrylic and 15% iron. I love that it gives you every single detail that you would want to know, need to know, may not even know you want to know. So it comes with 4, and this one has a design on it. It's very unique. I've never seen like this type of clip, and I think it is so freaking pretty. The next thing inside is this. It says Kitsch Cleanse. Okay, it's a towel scrunchie for your hair. Sweaty, salty, wet hair. This is cute. So it says that the benefits: highly absorbent microfiber material. It helps reduce heat drying time. So if you like get out the shower, you just throw your hair up and put this on, it's going to absorb that water. Oversized design absorbs even more moisture. Soft microfiber material is gentle on all hair types. Helps tame frizz and reduce hair breakage, which is something that is amazing because you know how these scrunchies are. You use them and you get the thin ones, and it literally pulls your hair out, okay, and creates breakage. This one is perfect for wet hair on the go, gym, hot yoga, beach, swimming pool, any of the above. Take these with you, throw your hair up, okay? So these are quite like heavy. It has like some weight to it, but I could feel the scrunchie is on the inside, and this is really soft. It's like a suede, kind of like a terry cloth suede type of material, and it is really pretty. Okay, so you just throw your hair up or in the back, just throw this around it, boom boom pap. Okay, okay, here is up, out of the way. Love it. And it's not going to create any creases. So look, hair is back down, looking flawless. All right, and last but not least, inside of my PR package is this quick drying hair towel. Girl, if you only knew that I need this so freaking bad. Okay, and it says it's for all hair types, so frizzy, curly, and straight. All right, so these are highly absorbent. It is a soft microfiber material. It's gentle on all your hair types. Friction free, drying in a fraction of the time. Helps reduce heat drying time. Helps with frizz and reduces hair breakage. Stretch elastic trim creates an easy pocket to accommodate all hair lengths. It is stylish. It has a stylish design to it, and again, this comes with a reusable, waterproof travel pouch. Okay, so let's open her up. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Oh my god, look, wait. Look at the front. Oh my god, look how gorgeous that is. Look at that, that is so pretty. Okay, let's try, because I've never used one. So I'm gonna try to put it on. When I tell you I'm in love, like hands down, this might be my favorite PR package. When I say it has like literally every little thing that I need that I don't have, and it's just little small things, but these are essentials for us girls, okay? And I am so happy that this is my favorite thing out of the whole entire package. Like, stop playing with me. I cannot wait to wash my hair and get out the tub and put this on my head. It is such a hassle when I'm getting out the tub and I am trying to like get the towel to stay on. And when I tell you, I didn't even fully follow the directions. And when I tell you, it is sitting like I have no issues right now. My hair is not moving. Okay? And I didn't put it on perfectly because we're not, really, getting out the tub with wet hair, but I just wanted to try it with the steps, and they made it so easy. I'm going to have everything down in the bottom bar for you, so you could check out this company Kitsch. When I tell you, I am in love, and it is female owned, okay? She started this brand on her own. First started off going door to door, and then it just became something that is just like literally a phenomenon, okay? And they do have a lot of followers, so a lot of people know about it, but this was my first time hearing about it. They have almost like 500,000 followers, which is a lot. So they are known, and I am so happy that they reached out to me because I'm going to be on this site 24/7, okay? I want these in different colors. I love the way this looks, like, oh my God. And this is so functional, and it is something that I needed, and I didn't even know I needed. Like, girl. So I'm gonna have the links down in the bottom bar, and again, you can save some queenage by using my code KISH20, okay? That should be like 20% off. So everything is super duper affordable. There were a lot of things that were only $10 on the site. Like, most of this stuff is about $10 on their site. Of course, the prices will range according to what you are getting, but when I went on the site to look, I was like, oh, these are really affordable prices. So I would love to share this with my audience. So thank you so much to Kitsch for sending me this PR package. I love everything, and I cannot wait to use these items. I got a feeling this is gonna be my favorites. Like, I have a feeling this is going to be my favorites. But yeah, I'm gonna have the links and everything down in the bottom bar. Let me know if you've heard of this company, if you have gotten things from this company, if you plan on checking out any of these items, let me know. Let's chat down in the comments. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.